with her? Parang nandun ba yung chance na pag-uusapan ba? Ganon.
Honestly, I said that because it's been a while since we've seen Gia also. Not just on the court, but off the court then. So we really miss Gia. Well, we really can't wait to see her talaga. I'm not just sure ano yung mga upcoming tournaments din niya and ano pa yung mga commitments na meron siya sa teams niya and sa national team. So we actually don't know ano yung pwedeng mangyari. But yeah, we just really miss Gia. We miss Gia.
May lokohan ba kayo minsan na, I mean, nag-usap naman kayo ni Gia, may lokohan ba na, uy, balik ka dito?
Well, honestly, wala naman. You know, I honestly respect yung space na binibigay namin sa isa't isa ni Gia to grow also as an athlete, as an individual. And definitely, alam ni Gia na andito lang kaming lahat, supporting her and cheering for her. So, yeah, nako, bibiruin ko. But yeah, we definitely miss Gia.